Hello, welcome back to my channel. I'm going to be showing you guys how I do my messy bun. I usually do a messy bun on 3rd or 4th day hair. And my hair is permed, so it already has some texture. So what I have is a scrunchie, some bobby pins, and I have the Batiste dry shampoo. So the first thing I do is just put the dry shampoo in my roots. And the back too. So after the dry shampoo, I just put all of my hair up. I just use my fingers. I don't use a brush or a comb. My hair is medium length, so a lot of hair falls in the back. Comb through with your fingers. Make sure you have all your hair. And show you guys the back. So after you have all of your hair at the top, you just put the scrunchie over like that. I don't pull my hair all the way, I just leave it like that. And then just wrap it around. Okay, so it looks like this. And then I just start pulling it. Until it is a bun. So you just play with it until you are satisfied with how it looks. And these hairs, I just tuck it back in. And I do have a lot of fallout in the back because my hair is pretty short. So I just take bobby pins and pin it up. And then the rest of the hair that's sticking out, I just grab it and tuck it in. Tuck it in the scrunchie. So that's all I do for my bun. And you can choose if you want to just pull some hair down on the sides so it gives it a more messy look. I'm also going to be taking my hairspray. I'm just going to spray the back and the top. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.